Oos, Impz this. Hey, what's up, Konchop? This video more cool stuff from Kotobukiya Collection 2023. And in this video, we take a look at the Zombinoid, Fallen Queen, and Wretched Girl. And the Fallen Queen is the one in the dress, and the Wretched Girl is the one in the tank top. But these characters are from the End of Heroes series. And these are coming out in May of 2023 at a price of 2,750 yen each, which is 2,750 yen. But yeah, quite reasonable and quite cool if you like these hexagear sized figures. It's cool stuff. Anyway, let me know what you guys think. Feel free to rate, comment, and subscribe, and see you again soon. Domo arigatou gozaimasu. Mata aimashou. Ja ne. Oos. Thanks for watching.